Erika. Nearly there, eh? 100 kilometers left.
I'm tired.
This road isn't the best for walking though, eh? I think the guys of Lugo, they still don't have this figured out. How important is this Camino de Santiago thing, eh? Honestly. So we're just taking the detour to Santa Eulalia de la Bóveda, which is a Roman temple in the middle of Galicia. What the Romans, why they were here, why there's a Roman road here, and why they're actually walking on the road full of cars. All those questions will remain without answer. So it goes right through. Hey.
Muchas gracias.
Muchas gracias.
Gracias.
Muchas gracias. Planning to walk Camino Primitivo? Check out the 10 highlights of that Camino in the description below. Click the link and get it delivered straight to your inbox. Look at that beauty.
I'm gonna break it.
Ooh.
Wow! Lot of onion. I love it. Mmm. 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 Really good. Be careful.
Are you hitting my...
It was falling. It was falling.
Are you just hit my
saved it.
chicken? Hey! Let's see if they have a bed, eh?
Is it about control? Losing the grip, you get old. Turn to the sea. I don't know how, but you found me. Never too late to get up. Maybe it's not as hard as you think. Some things you cannot change. You feel it but out of range. Your mind is at war, trying to find the answer. You look from every angle. This time I promise you it runs deep, yeah. This is hardwired, and I don't care about the fact that I don't belong here. And every time I close my eyes, still it's hardwired. Oh, this is hardwired.
Oh, these ones are huge, eh?
Ciao, piccola.
Qué grandes, madre mía, eh.
Buenos días.
Buenos días.
Bueno, las hay un poco más grandes.
Qué bichos, eh.
Every time I close my eyes, still it's hardwired. Oh, so hardwired.
Curutello.
Curutello.
Curutello?
Curutello.
My favorite film.
Curutello.
Compostela!
Saravir!
Oh, Campino. Ha. No forte. We're just one step away from.
The best pulpo of Galicia. So they say.
So they say Melide is on the way, guys. So 20 kilometers done,
Done already.
and we need a refill.
I feel like as a butterfly.
Oh, you'll be running today, yeah?
Yeah, nice, no? Hakuna Matata.
Hakuna Matata, baby.
Senza pensieri.
So we're going for this pulpo,
Pulpo.
pulpo, and then
We keep going.
The fall is coming, I can feel it. The breeze brings goosebumps to my skin. Tonight the whiskey feels stronger. Gasoline on hidden sights. So I'll throw another log on the fire. Let it burn. Let it burn. Let it burn. Let it burn.
Welcome to my new home for today, our new home for today. Ta-da!
wow,
So we are four tonight. two couples on bunk beds. These are ours.
Which one?
This one.
This one's ours.
Yeah. We have a rack to put our shoes, our wardrobe, the locker, a nice view on the street, and the toilet, a big toilet.
Is it?
It's big.
Let's see.
Quite big. Ooh, there is echo. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You have a washing machine.
Oh yeah, beautiful.
Two sinks. Yeah.
Oh,
I can hear the bagpipe. No?
can you hear the bagpipe?
Yeah.
Oh, at least the backpack.
I can hear the bagpipe.
Oh
I
yeah.
can already hear it. Oh my god, I'm feeling excited.
Excited. Oh,
Thank you for subscribing.